Hi everyone, my name is Jatin. I did my bachelor's in mathematics from Shivaji College and I have always been interested in mathematics, so I wanted to apply it practically. I started my learning from a very basic course from internet. Then I realized that I need a more professional approach and guidance, so I finally decided to join Alma Better after finishing my college. In August 2021, I secured a job in Shelfworks Private Limited, Chennai. My journey as a pro program member here at Alma Better was very insightful and flawless. Alma Better was there for me throughout the journey. They conducted weekly AMA sessions where industry experts talked about their journey as a data scientist, which was more informative and motivating. In fact, in my opinion, Alma Better's pro program is the best program for a person like me. I had a basic knowledge of data science before joining this program. I was able to learn at my own pace with the help of pre-recorded classes. I completed the entire curriculum in 3 months only, and the minimum charge for the course was refunded after completing the course. I would highly recommend the pro program to anyone planning to explore the world of data science. My learning experience at Alma Beta was terrific. The quality of curriculum is best in class. For interactive classes to fun quizzes, I enjoyed and learned at every moment. Moreover, the assignments and industry oriented learning helped me a lot in understanding the field of data science. So, the learning experience was quite commendable. It is essential to invest your money in the right institute with a decent return on investment. Alma Beta believes in providing risk-free education with high-quality content and a student-centered curriculum. The pay-after placement model caught my eye, and that is the reason why I joined Alma Beta. The process of teaching and the quality of content here is something that inclined me towards Alma Beta. One-on-one mentorship sessions were very beneficial. These sessions helped me understand real world scenario and how the industry works. And like these mentorship sessions also improved my time management skills and made me realize how various approaches can solve one problem. Capstone projects helped me expand my knowledge of data science industry. In my opinion, projects are the base element of any learning. Capstone projects made me industry ready and boosted my confidence in standing out of the crowd. The mock interviews helped me understand the concepts of real interview, and mock interviews helped me in boosting my confidence by eliminating my weak point over time. It also helped me improve my communication skills. Moreover, Alma Beta helped me build a crisp resume for the job interviews and resume building sessions, and I got some pointers on being stress free during the interview. Alma Better transformed my life. I was an introvert before joining Alma Better. However, now I have the confidence of doing any task. For students considering become a part of Alma Better family, I'd like to say just focus on the curriculum and improve your skills. You will definitely secure a job. Just focus on the curriculum because I can guarantee the curriculum is the best.